Before we use integration to find equation of curve, let's understand some of the notation first. So by now you should be good in differentiation and you have to understand that when we have y, we differentiate one time, it becomes dy dx. When we differentiate y another time, it becomes the d2y over dx square. So if you have d2y dx square, you want to get to dy dx, you need to integrate the d2y dx square. Okay, then it becomes dy dx. If you integrate it one more time, integrate dy dx one more time, okay, then you get y. Okay, same for fx, f prime x, and f double prime x. So y has the same meaning as fx. dy dx have the same meaning as f prime x. d2y dx square has the same meaning as f double prime x. Okay, but when you integrate, remember there's always a plus c behind. So how do we find the plus c behind? I'm going to go through with you a question that starts with d2y dx square. Okay, question give you that d2y over dx square is equals to 6x minus 2. When I want to go up one level, okay, dy dx means I need to integrate 6x minus 2 dx. When I integrate this, I'm going to get 6x squared over 2 minus 2x. Then I will have a plus c behind. Okay, always find your first arbitrary constant. That's why they gave you information like this point 2 comma negative 8. This is the x, this is the y. And that the gradient of the normal is equals to negative half. So if the gradient of the normal is equals to negative half, dy dx will equate to the gradient of the tangent. So the gradient of the tangent is equals to negative reciprocal, which is 2. Okay, now you can sub in. Sub x equals to 2 and dy dx equals to 2 as well into this equation. So 2 equals to, let's simplify the equation, 3x squared minus 2x plus c. Okay, now we already know that x is also 2, so 2 is equals to 3 bracket 4 minus 2 bracket 2 plus c. So c is equals to 2 minus 12 plus 4, which is equals to negative 10 plus 4, negative 6. Okay, so that's my first C. Now I write the equation. Oh, dy dx is equals to 3x squared minus 2x minus 6. We have just found this C, which is equals to negative 6. I want to find the equation of the curve, means I must integrate it one more time. dy dx become y, integrate it one more time. 3x squared minus 2x minus 6 dx. When I integrate this, I am going to get 3x to the power of 3 over 3 minus 2x to the power of 2 over 2 minus 6x. Now, because just now I already used plus c, I cannot use plus c anymore. I must write plus d. Okay, so this is my y. How do I find the d? I sub in the coordinate that is given, 2 comma negative 8. Negative 8. Okay, let's make the equation nice first. That should be the first thing we should do. X cubed minus x squared minus 6x plus d. So now I sub in 2 comma negative 8. Into my equation, I will get y, which is negative 8, equals to 2 power 3 minus 2 power 2 minus 6 bracket 2 plus d. Okay, negative 8 equals to 8 minus 4 minus 12 plus d. D equals to, so use your calculator. You can work out what is d. That will be negative 8 minus 8 plus 4 plus 12. And d is equals to just nice 0. Okay, so therefore the equation of the curve is y equals to, where is the y? This one, x cubed minus x squared minus 6x. And that is how you do a question that starts with d2y dx squared. You need to integrate 2 times to get y, but each time you integrate, there is a plus c or plus d arbitrary constant behind. Use the information from the question to find your constants each time first before you integrate it again.